How to measure your ThermaDoor insulation panels. To work out the cutting height of your ThermaDoor panels, slide your measuring tape up inside the front of the top lip of the door section until it stops. Then, slide the tape down and measure to the outer edge of the bottom lip. Measure to the millimetre. Record your measurements. Check the heights of all panels and record the panel heights. To determine the cutting length of your ThermaDoor panels, measure the distance between the rails at the top and bottom. You can record the measurements on the back of the door panel using a marker pen. Continue the above measuring process until all panels are measured and recorded for each individual panel. Using a roofing square, check how square each vertical rail is. Use a marker pen to place the measurement in the corner of the panel. Once you have checked all the panels, you're now ready to begin the cutting process.